In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit and withdraw on Trust Wallet. Open your Trust Wallet. When it comes to sending cryptocurrencies and receiving cryptocurrencies in Trust Wallet, if you want to receive, what you need to do, you're going to come onto this Manage Crypto. You're going to type in the name of any cryptocurrency you want to receive, right? So if you want to deposit a cryptocurrency, let's say I want to deposit, let me see, Metis. Yeah, so this is it. I'm going to open it. If I want to deposit Metis to my Trust Wallet, what I'm going to do right now, just click on it. You're going to see receive. If you click on the receive, your address is going to come out, right? So you can copy it and send to the person that wants to send you payments. That still applies to the rest of other cryptocurrencies right here on your Trust Wallet. Just click on the receive to copy your wallet address. Now, if you want to send, right? If you want to send, open the particular token you want to send, click on this send. That is, if you want to withdraw, enter the wallet address, enter the amount. Once you have confirmed it, you're going to be able to send it to your other wallet. This still applies to the same other cryptocurrencies, right? So use the send to send. So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching through. I'll see you in the next video.